Last night, I thought of something called crush cake. Lovely cake and frosting and little gems in it.
So it's the cake pieces. You deconstructed a cake and put it in a jar.
It's a deconstructed cake, exactly what it is. So Tommy's gonna bring over 2 cakes that I made this morning. All this is you simply start out with a quick little mason jar. And I found these plastic mason jars now are great. You don't want to use this for canning anything that's going to last long term, but for giving a quick gift and making something like this, they're perfect. So all I do was cut little strips of cake. We'll start with this one.
Okay.
And we're just gonna plunk like 2 or 3 pieces in, like this, just little squares. We'll do 2. Then all you're gonna do is add a dollop of frosting on top of that. So we add the dollop of frosting. Try not to, when you put it in, touch the sides, because then it starts to mess up the sides and look it's okay, no, Tommy, you're doing great. Always doing great.
Always breaking everything.
Exactly. Another little bit of cake, another dollop of frosting.
Maybe a little more, just saying.
Dude, yeah. That's what we love, is that frosting. Once you get that on there, they have these fun sprinkles, like really fun sprinkles.
There's entire Instagrams dedicated to sprinkles.
Yes, and
have you seen these people?
Yeah, crazy fun stuff. And again, you have to be careful. Don't take out a tooth with these because they can be a little bit hard. So, but they're so fun. So it's all about, once again, how it looks, not necessarily anything else. And I even topped this off with a couple conversation hearts. So, did you know last year the conversation hearts had been not made for a while?
They had not been made. Are they back now?
They're different kinds, but I believe that officially they are back. I'm hoping that I'm not speaking out of turn. There you go, you have crushed cake.
Look at that.
And you can add any more that you would like, and you can top it off with this cute little thing. And I feel in this day and age that it's sort of nice. You can hand them this, it stays very sealed. So, can't get any worse than already being crushed, right?
That's true. And they're like, listen, I don't know where you were from. And you're like, it's in the jar. And they're like, I love it. Sounds great.
Yeah, perfect. And you can mail it to your children too. Just do it 2-day with the mail being a little slower than normal.
You can mail that?
Yes, easily put it in a box with some cute little things to your kids. Like if you have kids that are, thank goodness, away in college or whatnot, it's really, especially if you get the cake really nice and snug up to the top. But you can always decorate it with little heart stickers. You could write with a gold pen, like to my, darling daughter, to my wonderful husband, anything you want to make it a little bit cuter.
Aw,
so I love the crush cake. And then I also made a brownie one for all of you chocolate lovers. You would use chocolate brownie, which who doesn't love a gooey? Oh, that's my favorite. Different color frosting, different, go to town, make your own sprinkles. Think on Pinterest, just get every fun kind you can, mix them together and you're all set.
You're like walking Pinterest. Heather Cooper always has all the creations. Thank you for these great ideas and for making, for spreading some love.
Always, thank you.
Crush cake, cheers.
Cheers.